Hearing loss affects more than 37 million people in the U.S. It is the third most common physical condition behind arthritis and heart disease, and it's recommended that adults older than 40 years old monitor and screen their hearing annually.
But of course, that can be costly and of course time-consuming. But now there's the first ever FDA-cleared hearing test that's going to be available in pharmacies later this month. iHear Medical CEO John Luna joins us live now on set. And John, you guys say that this tiny box could actually revolutionize hearing tests?
Yeah, I mean, for the first time ever, consumers can go into their local pharmacy and a neighborhood pharmacy and purchase the iHear test and screen their hearing at home. So having that FDA clearance, proves the safety and efficacy for consumers.
And it's very simple to use. Candace, I know you gave it a try, so it was easy peasy.
Easy peasy. You just have to download this program. You just kind of put it in, and it's all about just hitting the space bar when you heard different sounds on which ear. That's me doing that a couple days ago, and it was really simple. You just put a little, you kind of just attach it to your lapel, and then how's the kind of the process after that?
Sure. We try to make it simple. It's a consumer-friendly test. The goal is in 5 to 6 minutes after you've unpacked the test, downloaded the software, you have the ability to take the test in each ear. Like you said, it's a simple process, plugging the USB calibrated headphones in and pressing the space bar as you hear the sounds. And then it comes with a simple score that is comprehensive yet very simple to understand, where you receive a hearing number from 1 to 5, and that indicates whether you have normal hearing or good hearing, all the way to a profound hearing loss.
Okay, so you take this test at home and say you don't get the greatest hearing number, then you obviously know that you need some medical attention or you need to visit a doctor.
Yeah, you can have two paths at that point. You can either go to a professional and have further diagnostic testing done, or you can actually go online and use the hearing number. You can actually purchase a hearing solution from us directly and have it customized based on your hearing number and shipped to you at home.
You know, I have to admit, I don't know anyone who regularly has their hearing screened. Do you feel like that's something that maybe people kind of neglect?
Yeah, I mean, if you ask most consumers when the last time you had your hearing tested, most people will say in grammar school, 3rd grade, 4th grade, where you raise your hand. The reality is people wait decades to have their hearing tested or screened. So this at-home screener is part of a larger consumer-driven healthcare initiative where there's a lot of at-home diagnostic screening tests now available over the counter. And so we have now the first and only FDA-cleared hearing screener available, so consumers can do this and we can reach millions of people.
How important is early intervention with something like this when you start to notice that your hearing is going a little bit?
It's really important for a lot of reasons. If you have a family member with hearing loss, you know how difficult it is to communicate. You know how they have difficulty in different environments. So there's millions of Americans who are undiagnosed that are walking around with hearing loss. It's invisible. You don't know that you may have a deficiency in hearing in either ear. So it's important to screen your hearing annually, as we've indicated over the age of 40. It's important as part of your general physical routine to do that. And it then allows you to make some choices. One, if you have a hearing loss or a slight hearing loss, and it indicates that in the screening, to protect your hearing in any environment you go into with loud noise. And then if you have a hearing loss that could benefit or indicate the use of a hearing aid benefit, then you can make a decision to start amplification earlier to have a better quality of life. Okay,
so pricing of this box, insurance, copays?
It's as a private purchase through over-the-counter pharmacy at the front of pharmacies. It retails for $69. It has up to 5 uses, so one individual would have 5 years worth of screenings in one kit, or you can have 5 individuals in a household. So if your husband or spouse or siblings could share, and you can also purchase more credits. So if you needed more than 5, you could actually purchase additional credits.
So these are in pharmacies right now?
Yes, it's in pharmacies. Thousands of pharmacies nationwide.
Yeah. iHear test. That's awesome. Thank you very much for joining us. And we posted more information on where to find the iHear test and how to do it on our website. Just head on over to clickorlando.com right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.